All right, so I got some of these coffee pouches from Grinds. I am a true believer now. You throw this out there, first off, no nicotine, no tobacco. This is flavored coffee grounds. Now the can says 2 times caffeine. This is 50 milligrams per pouch. 2 times what? I don't know if these are the double version or what. What I will say though is coming from the chewing tobacco world back in the past, it's got the same ritual, if you will. The can is the same size. It operates and works exactly the same. Fits in your back pocket, or I'm sure if you got one of those fancy holsters or whatever, that works too. The pouch is exactly the same. God, the smell is so good. This is the double mocha. It smells like mocha. I don't know. Long lasting. I drove for about an hour and a half yesterday and had one in my mouth, and it lasted the entire time. I had flavor down when I got to my destination still in the pouch. The taste is phenomenal. I thought I didn't read this at first. I thought it was just coffee. And I see chocolate taste, double mocha. Started getting that chocolate taste, and I was like, oh God, this is really good. Ton of different flavors. There's citrus flavors and mint flavors and all that stuff. The top of the can opens up too, so you can take a pouch out of your mouth and put it in there and store it. You probably didn't even know I had a pouch in this entire time. Very low profile. The other big takeaway that I have from these is I'm a coffee in the morning, 1 to 2 energy drinks a day, coffee in the afternoon. Since I've been sucking on these guys, I've not had any energy drinks, and my coffee in the afternoon has gone away. I still like that coffee in the morning, but I have not felt there's not been any downside to reducing the amount of caffeine intake that I've had since I've been using these. I also want to add that the shakiness that I would get from energy drinks, I'm not getting from these. So I don't know if it's the chemical composition of those drinks versus what's in these or what. It's just coffee, as far as I can tell. So that's another big takeaway. Plus the calories. This is 0 calories per pouch, and you down one of those. I thought I had a can somewhere. You down one of those energy drinks, and you're 200 calories, give or take, whatever. So anyway, I'm getting a nice tingle on my gums. It's not like a nicotine tingle by any means, but I feel it where if I was quitting nicotine again, I would probably go for something like this just because of the ritual aspect. It's very similar to what you were doing. So anyway, thank you guys over at Grinds for these. I love them, and you should absolutely go pick up some of these. They are fantastic.